So the first thing I'm going to show you here is how to make a post to your blog. So I want to give you an understanding of how we've set up this particular site. And as I explained at one point, that WordPress started off as a blogging environment, and it's evolved where many people are using it as a content managed site. So there's two ways of posting content basically that you need to understand, and that is posting either to your blog or posting to a page. And the way we've set up your site here is that on the home page, when we click on the home page, which is right here, that is basically where your blog is. We could have set it up so we could have created a page called blog and then had that as the blog. But all these other pages, the music, lyrics, photo gallery, etc., are all pages. And at the back end, I should also show you that the best way to edit your site is to have a couple tabs open. Firefox has this feature where you can just by Control T, or you can create a new tab there. So you have one tab where your site is, and the other tab where you're doing all the edits on the back end. So you just, once you've updated your site, then you can just go over to the tab with the site. But what I'm showing you here is that there's a difference between the posts and the pages. On your site, the posts is your blog, that's all on the home page, and all the pages are the other pages. And we set that up in WordPress. You don't really need to know this now because it's been set up, but we just sort of have an understanding is that under settings on the dashboard there, under reading, I chose that the front page displays the latest post. If I wanted some other page, a static page, I could have clicked that there and then selected which page I wanted as the first page. But the way we set it up is that your first page, your home page basically, right here is your blog. Okay, so whenever you want to make a post to your blog, to your home page now, then you have to make a post rather than edit any pages. Right? So here's the posts, and you can you go to your dashboard and you can go to see all your posts, or you can add a new one, or well, later on I'll show you the pages, but we're dealing with posts now. This is your blog. So I'm just going to go to all posts right now, and that's generally a good place to start because then you can see a list. I've only made one post, so the Camille's New Adventure. So I'm just going to pop over to the tab of your front page, and you can see that's where it's posted, right on the home page, because that's what we told it to do. So here, when you mouse over the name, then you have the option to edit, quick edit, trash, or view. But I'm going to show you how to edit text and pictures and multimedia inside either a post or a page later on. But right now I'm just kind of giving you the understanding that there's a difference between posts, which is your blog, and pages. The other thing you need to know about posts is that you assign them a category. This is kind of how the blogging environment evolved. So once you get into the, I decided to edit this post. You'll have an option here to select a category for that particular post. But first, you need to create the categories, and I've already created a category. You can go to categories here under posts, and I've created a category called Adventure Blog. You can delete that if you want, or you can rename it. You can make as many categories as you like, but once you've made a new post, and it'll actually tell you there, it'll list what category you've chosen for it. But you can, when you make a new post, then you choose which category it'll be under. And this will become clear later on as you have experience creating posts. But basically it's a way of managing your content. Here you can see under archives, that's the first post, and you could have it actually on the left. This is a widget bar here, the sidebar. You could have a widget bar that shows just the posts of one category, or the archive of the posts of one category. In any case, that's enough to know for now.